Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. Today I'll be showing you how do I make carrot oil, homemade actually, and this is good for the hair and the skin. As you can see, I bought some few carrots, so let me just show you step by step how you can do it. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, you need either olive oil, I went for organic, and coconut oil if you wish, but this time around I'll use bio coconut oil because it's really very nice for the skin and the hair too. So guys, let's to see the process. So as you can see, this is my result, and this is how my carrot oil turned out. Guys, I love carrot oil because it's really very nice for the skin. I always mix it with my cream, and also I apply it on my hair. So guys, most of the time you can add vitamin E and also some essential oils of your choice, but on my side I'll be adding tea tree oil because I love tea tree oil for my skin. So it's so easy to make from home. I need to wait a little bit so that I may store it. So guys, you can do it from home, no need of buying carrot oil anymore. So guys, I hope you've liked this video. Please don't forget to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And now this is how I'm going to be storing my coconut oil. As you can see, I love the way it turned out, and I will be adding some few drops of essential oils. Actually, I do use tea tree oil. I love tea tree oil because it works perfectly on my skin, and this is also the perfect time to add your vitamin E if you wish. So guys, that's what I had for today, and if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. Like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bisous.